Okay, hi students. Welcome to Bright Career Infotech. I am Sneha Gaud. I am internationally certified TEFL TESOL trainer. Our institute is running successfully from last 10 years. So we have good 10 years of experience in this educational field. Okay. So do you know why to join this course? What is the outcome of this course? Let me explain you. Here, you will gain fun and stress-free environment. That is, we will play various games and activities here so that it will improve your brain power and thinking ability also. And you will get a good command over English language. Okay. Our next is point is confidence. It will boost up naturally your confidence also, because when you learn all these topics in this course, then you will definitely gain a confidence. We will take various reading comprehension practices in this session also, so that you can read any newspaper, magazines or books very easily with a correct pronunciation, right? So tell me, who wants to speak like me fluently in English? Raise your hand. ओके, बड़ी जल्दी हाथ खड़े कर दिए सबने. सबको पसंद है ना इंग्लिश में बात करना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will definitely be able to speak in English very fluently after doing this course. Okay, I will take various grammar topics here so that you will speak without any grammatical error. Okay, it will improve your writing skill also. We will take written comprehension. You will be able to write stories, letters, essays, and dialogue writing on your own. We will take 100 plus vocabulary words here by using simple tricks. I will use Hindi tricks also sometimes so that you can understand very well in Hindi also. ओके, हम मदर टंग में जब कोई भी चीज सीखते हैं तो हम कभी भी भूलते नहीं, है ना? I will use various audio visual mnemonics also in this session. Okay. I will teach you various stories by using those vocabulary words. You will be able to communicate with each other, with anybody, with a fluent English. It will improve your communication skill also. Okay. So moving forward, can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what you can see in this picture, can you tell me in 2 to 3 sentences?
There are trees in this picture.
Very good.
The birds. There are birds in this picture.
Okay, where are the birds? These are
The birds
small...
are sitting on the ground.
No, beta, these are small blue plants here. They are not standing erect, so it will look like a bird. Okay, these are the small plants here. Again, what you can see in this picture? Do you like this rainbow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you ever seen the rainbow in the sky? Come on, raise your hand if you have seen the rainbow. Okay, very nice. So, how many colors are there in the rainbow?
7 colors.
Very good. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. And again, what you can see in this picture, one table is present and one big book is present on the tabletop. Okay. There are small white flowers are also there. small leaves are present here, big two trees are present here. Okay. Then moving to our next part, vocabulary. Our first word is minuscule. It is an adjective. Okay. You can pronounce it as a minuscule because this word is formed by mini plus scule. Okay. Here the meaning is tiny or very small. जो भी चीज बहुत छोटी स्मॉल होती है उसे हम क्या कहेंगे मिनिस्क्यूल. हियर द लिंक वर्ड इज मिनिस्कूल because the minuscule sound same like the word minuscule. Okay, so you can remember this by the word minuscule. So our next word is, here we have taken one example. So can you see this picture? Here one small car is present here. So what you can say here, the car is very tiny or small. It is minuscule car. Yes, no? Tejasvi, are you getting? Purva?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anything which is very tiny or small, you can refer it as minuscule. So our next word is tome. It is a noun. You can simply read it as tome. Meaning is very large book. Any book containing very large number of pages, you can refer it as a tome. Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana are our epic books. These are the examples of tomes, right? Here the link word is home. Tomes sounds like home, right? So when you recall home, you will recall automatically tome, right? So it is the keyword for tome. Okay, link word or keyword you can say. So can you see these two pictures? In first picture, there is a very thick book. It contains so many pages. So it is called as tome. And in second picture, the book of Ramayana is present. Okay, so it is also a tome. Example is, I have read various tomes on world history. Means I have read so many books which are present in world history, very large books. Our third word is devoid. It is an adjective. You can read it as devoid. Meaning is empty, without or lacking. If something is absent in the given picture or in anything, then you can say that it is devoid of that something. Okay. Here the link word is avoid. Avoid is same as devoid. Yes. So you can remember devoid by avoid. Here it is a link word. Are you getting? I have given you some short tricks also in this. I have given you link word so that you can remember it for a long time. Okay. What you can see in this first picture? Tejasvi, tell me what you can see in this picture. One frame is present. It is without a photo or a picture. So what you can say? This frame is devoid of a photo or a picture. यहाँ पे फोटो और पिक्चर अब्सेंट है ना, तो आप क्या कहोगे कि इस फ्रेम में फोटो और पिक्चर एब्सेंट है, मतलब डिवॉइड है. पूर्वा, आर यू गेटिंग? Come on, yes, come on, give me reply fast. It is live interactive session. You must be interactive. In the second picture, you can see the 4 walls are present here. This is a picture of home. But is anything more in this house? What you can say? No. This house? Yes. No. Yes, This house is devoid of furniture, you can say here. Only 4 walls are present. Yes, Purva, have you said something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, example, people who are rude to others are devoid of good manners. People who behave rudely with others, they lack of good manners or they do not contain good manners in them. So, they behave rudely with others. So, we can say they are devoid of good manners. Our next vocabulary is lackadaisical. It is again an adjective. Okay. Lackadaisical. This is the pronunciation of this vocabulary. Here the meaning is lazy or lack of interest. A person who is lazy, we can refer it as lackadaisical. Here the link word is yakindaisy. Lackadaisy, yakindaisy. Have you understood this? This is a link word. If you can imagine one yak is present in the daisy's garden. What is daisy? Daisy are the flowers. Are you getting? So here is the example. What you can see in this first picture, a person is resting very lackadaisically. He is without interest, lack of enthusiasm is present. What is minuscule first? Let us revise. Minuscule means very tiny or small. So what you can think in this picture is very tiny or small?
The book is minuscule.
No, better. You can see very small leaves are present here. So the leaves are minuscule. Books are also minuscule because they are very small in size. Okay. Book as a tome. It is a very large book. It contains so many pages. Yes? Are you getting or not? समझ रहा है ना आपको? Okay. So what you think this picture is devoid of? ये पिक्चर में क्या प्रेजेंट नहीं है आप ऐसा कहोगे? आपके हिसाब से और क्या चाहिए था ये पिक्चर में?
Birds.
Yes,
Birds,
very
ma'am.
nice. You can say one river can be present in this picture, one pond can be present in this picture, but this picture is devoid of pond and river and birds also. Okay. So what is lackadaisical in this picture? Which thing is lazy you can say in this picture? Which is lazy? See here. These blue plants, are not standing erect. They seems to be like very lazy. They are not standing straight. So these are the lackadaisical plants. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you should think for a minute and answer me this, fill in the blank. The mathematician has worked day and night for over 6 years to write a research paper. Dash of any errors, but only after he sent it to his publishers, he realized that a oblique n blank calculation error has made the paper useless. Your options are complete huge, devoid minuscule, full lackadaisical. What should be in the blank? A research paper dash of any errors. A research paper should not contain errors, right? So research paper should be devoid of errors. Don't you think? A research paper should be very proper without any mistake. So research paper should be devoid of error. Error should not be present in the research paper. Okay. I am showing you how we are using those words in this blank. Okay. He realized that dash calculation error has made the paper useless. Minuscule. Minuscule means very small. So if there is very small error in the paper, then the paper will be useless. रिसर्च पेपर में मिस्टेक रहना चाहिए क्या? नहीं रहना चाहिए. अगर एक भी मिस्टेक यदि उसमें रही तो वो पेपर क्या हो जाएगा? यूजलेस हो जाएगा. So our option will be devoid and minuscule. Right? So how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
parts? Okay. How many parts of speech are there in English? Do you know? Tell me the number only. Do you know this? Tejasvi, Purva?
No, ma'am.
Matter if you are wrong, tell me. Whatever you know. Who told it? Purva?
Samruddhi.
Samruddhi. Okay, your answer is right, beta. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Now I am giving you one small trick to remember these all 8 parts of speech here. बहुत मुश्किल होता है नहीं 8 वर्ड्स रिमेंबर करना, जल्दी याद नहीं आता है हमें, है ना? तो इसके लिए मैं एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक आपको बता रही हूँ. ऐसी बहुत सारी ट्रिक्स हम इस कोर्स में सीखेंगे. ओके, सो आवर ट्रिक इज नो पापा विक. You can remember all these 8 words by using this trick. So NO stands for noun, P stands for pronoun, A stands for adjectives, again P stands for preposition, again A stands for adverb, and V stands for verb, I stands for interjection, and C stands for conjunction. Isn't it amazing? Do you like this trick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me from these 4 words which is noun, which is verb, and which is adjective? Minuscule is what do you think? Is it a verb, adjective, or noun? See here, minuscule. Yes, very good, Purva. Minuscule is adjective. Tome, tome is a large book. So book is what? Noun or adjective?
Noun.
Very good. Book is a noun. So here the tome is noun. Devoid is what you can say? Adjective. Lackadaisical is again adjective. Okay. So are your parents are around you? I want to talk with them. I have to discuss our curriculum. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Just call them. See students, in this course we will take various vocabulary words and you will learn various vocabulary through the different tricks. Okay, I will show you the tricks like this. Hello, ma'am. So this is our level 1 program. Our level 1
Okay.
program is vocabulary and communication.
Okay.
ये 2 months का रहेगा और अभी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ये मई मंथ से स्टार्ट होने वाला है. स्टैंडर्ड 4th to 10th के लिए है.
From May.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Standard 4 to 10 standard now.
Yes, ma'am. We will cover all
Okay.
topics of basic and advanced grammar also in level 2, and in level 3 reading comprehension and writing composition also we are taking. Our first level is vocabulary and communication. So here are the contents of our course. Level 1. Duration is 2 months and
Where
fees
from
is
you start
2000.
this section?
What,
Okay,
ma'am?
2000 rupees.
Yeah.
When from you
per-
start this?
Within 1 week. If
Okay.
those students who are interested to join the course, they can join within 2 or 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah. Our fees per level is 2000, and after each level they will get a certificate also, and then they can move on
Okay.
to next level. In our class recording is also present in our institute's website. We will provide login ID and password to our students, and they can see our recording in that website also anytime. अगर आज हमारा
We
क्लास
will
हुआ है,
provide all.
यस मैम, अगर आज हमारा क्लास हुआ तो उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग तुरंत ही वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल हो जाएगी, तो उसे आप कभी भी और कितनी भी बार देख सकते हो. तो ये हमारी स्पेशलिटी है इंस्टीट्यूट की.
Okay.
We will take various worksheets also so that student can practice very well, and level wise test and revision will be there. Our 4 days classes are there and 2 days for worksheets.
Okay now.
4 days live class and 2 days worksheets.
Okay.
Okay. And if the students will join both the courses, Vedic Maths and English, then they will get a package offer of 3500 for both the subjects.
Means a 500 rupee discount.
हाँ हाँ मैम, 500 रुपीज डिस्काउंट मिलेगा अगर दोनों कोर्स लगाना चाहते हो.
Okay now. Yes.
अभी बच्चों को कैसा, इंग्लिश बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चों के लिए, क्योंकि जब भी आगे ये फ्यूचर में कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स देंगे या फिर किसी भी कंपनी का प्लेसमेंट टेस्ट हो वो क्रैक करना हो इन्हें, तो उसमें भी इंग्लिश पे क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, इंग्लिश का सेक्शन होता है.
Yes, it is very important for all actually. Yes.
Yes,
And
it
this
is very important. Actually, interviews are also held in English only. So English is very necessary for all the students to learn. Grammar is very important so that students can learn English and speak English fluently. I am internationally certified TEFL TESOL trainer. Recently, I have done the certification.
nice.
So students, have you enjoyed the today's session? Do you like this session?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood
Yes,
everything?
ma'am.
Have you
Yes, ma'am.
understood everything? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you want to
Yes,
join,
ma'am.
these are the 2 contact numbers. You can call on this number or you can join our WhatsApp group.
Say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.